Samsung has been launching its clamshell star phones for some time now. And now he has released version 2019, which is called Galaxy W2019. The point of the smartphone are its main specifications and its spin factor that includes an AMOLED screen on the outside to use the phone without having to open the screen. And inside the lid, the phone comes with another AMOLED screen and a hardware numeric keypad along with the navigation keys. The new W2019 comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 SoC, which is combined with 6 GB of RAM, and 128 GB or 256 GB of internal storage that can be expanded using microSD cards. As for the two screens on the device, these two Super AMOLED screens have a size of 4.2 inches, an aspect ratio of 16:9 and come with a resolution of 1080 x 1920 pixels. The cameras of the new W2019 are what we have seen in the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. The rear has a dual lens configuration with a 12-megapixel variable aperture camera with wide-angle lens, and another is a 12-megapixel telephoto lens with aperture f/2.4. As for the front, it has an 8-megapixel camera with an aperture lens f/2.0. In terms of phone power, the battery has a capacity of 3070 mAh, which is charged with a USB Type-C connector. The W2019 runs Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box that has Samsung's own user interface. The device's fingerprint scanner is on the side panel and the phone is made of anodized aluminum, diamond cut and glass.